Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. This morning, of course, I want to talk about Bitcoin and crypto, give you guys a update on what is exactly happening right now for the crypto market. There is, as usual, a fair few Bitcoin charts that I really want to show you guys, and it's looking pretty bullish right now for Bitcoin. In the next upcoming, I want to say like 4 to 6 months will be amazing for Bitcoin and altcoins. So let's talk about it. But first, let me show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin. So yeah, let's just clearly see Bitcoin right now, 59,300. Okay. So Bitcoin right now is still holding at this level just below $60,000 a couple of hours ago. Okay, we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can just clearly see we actually saw Bitcoin dropping all the way back down to $57,900. Okay, so a couple of hours ago, it did actually hit $57,000, just below 58K. And actually, last night we actually saw Bitcoin pump back up to $60,000, but didn't quite hold that level. So right now, Bitcoin is just below 60K, 59,300. So Bitcoin, it is still simply holding at this level, right? You can clearly see that ever since we had this drop yesterday, Bitcoin is still pretty much holding at this level. Okay, we saw Bitcoin pumping back up, okay, to about $60,000, but it didn't quite hit that yet. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, right, is still holding very, very strong at this level, guys. Okay, not looking too bad for Bitcoin. Ethereum right now, okay, $2,500. Okay, not looking too bad as well. Okay, Ethereum is still a great buy right now, slowly bouncing back up. Yeah, since clearly see that. Okay, we know Ethereum went as low as $2,400. So now it's at over 2.5. So Ethereum is still holding pretty well as well today. Now the crypto market today, okay, we're not seeing huge movements, okay, but altcoins are down. We are fixing a fair few altcoins down. But overall, okay, the market today is down over 2%. Past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down over 1%. Ethereum is actually up 2%. Okay, we are fixing Ethereum slightly, bouncing back up over $2,500, which is great to see. Solana is down 4%. Okay, and yeah, other altcoins are slightly down as well. Bitcoin Cash 1%. Okay, Polkadot 2%. Okay, Neo Protocol 6%, right? Polygon is down actually today a whopping 8%. I don't know why Polygon is dropping, but Polygon is dropping, guys. I think today is a great day to buy some Polygon. And Polygon overall, if you just go to the 1 year time frame, it's a great buy right now. Okay, it really, really is. Like Polygon was all the way up over $1. Okay, and now it's all the way down at 43 cents. So Polygon right now is a great buy, right? It really, really is. So yeah, alts are slightly down, and separate alts are slightly down, like over 5%. So altcoins are still down, but understand, guys, let's talk about altcoins real quick, okay? Because we know alt season is obviously right around the corner. Okay, altcoins will pump, guys. Understand? Yes, we know Bitcoin will skyrocket, but understand, guys, altcoins will pump. So altcoin market cap will reach a new high in the next upcoming few months as well. Okay, we know Bitcoin will reach new highs. Same with the altcoin market cap, because a lot of these altcoins, okay, that are in fact in the cryptocurrency market will potentially reach new highs. Okay, will reach back up to its previous highs and of course reach new highs. Not all of them, okay, not all of them will reach back up to its previous highs. Okay, but majority of these altcoins will do that, right? So this is a great time right now to buy as much altcoins as you possibly can to simply DCA and invest into altcoins right now. Okay, because we know altcoins in the next upcoming few months, especially next year in 2025, will be amazing. Okay, we will in fact see a continuation uptrend for altcoins, right? So be ready for that, because alt season is literally right around the corner, right? So get ready for that. But Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin is repeating. Okay, repeating a very, very similar pattern. Okay, so it says here Bitcoin repeats forming consolidation before a rally. It's coming soon. So a rally is coming, guys. Okay, a parabolic rally is coming, right? So it's all about patience, guys. Okay, soon enough, we will in fact see Bitcoin reaching new highs. It's going to be in the six figs, 100K and beyond, right? So it's really all about patience right now. okay, because a parabolic rally is coming. Okay, it may not feel like a run now. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of doubt, right? But understand, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. Okay, and there is in fact a chart that I will show you guys, and it's showing you that Bitcoin's always reaching new highs every single time throughout Bitcoin history. Okay, for the past over 15 years, Bitcoin has been reaching new highs ever since, right, to this day. So when in doubt, guys, zoom out and understand Bitcoin will have this rally. Okay, it will reach in the six figs, 100K and beyond. Okay, it's all about patience. This is, the time right now to buy while Bitcoin is still down over here. Okay, we know Bitcoin will be at these levels very, very soon. While we're down here, this is the best time right now to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you possibly can, to DCA, and to most importantly hold right now. Okay, do not panic sell, okay, along the way, because there will be corrections, especially next month, since it's going to be September. And we know, guys, I talked about this a fair bit, we know September is a very, very bearish month for Bitcoin. So that's why I really do believe in the next upcoming few weeks, we will potentially see corrections for Bitcoin. But understand, once October rolls around, okay, that's when things will change, because October is a very, very bullish month for Bitcoin. So understand, it's all about patience right now. Okay, we have less than, I want to say, 5 weeks left to buy as much Bitcoin as we possibly can before we see a rally happening. It's coming, guys. We are literally right around the corner for the bull run. Literally, okay? So it's all about patience right now. But Bitcoin monthly, okay, close approaching. So yeah, since clearly see this chart is just showing us here. Okay, it says keep an eye on the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. As long as Bitcoin remains above this mark, the bull run is likely to continue. And yes, guys, we know it will continue, guys. Okay, Bitcoin will be reaching new highs. So if Bitcoin, okay, stays above this level, okay, of the Fibonacci retracement level, we should be seeing Bitcoin soon enough having a bounce back up. And I told you guys, right, once we actually see Bitcoin breaking that resistance, we will in fact see a new high occur, right? So it's really all about patience right now for Bitcoin. So yes, Bitcoin bull run begins. Okay, and it says here every time, okay, there is a bullish crossover of these MAs, a bull run began. So Yasin's clearly see right here, okay, every single time we have seen this bullish cross, it's like a crossover, right? Yasin's clearly see that Bitcoin does in fact have a bull run, and right now we are in fact seeing a bullish cross. So soon enough, guys, we'll enter a bull run. Like, we are literally right at the beginning of a bull run, right? So it's all about patience. And yes, this chart is in fact showing us here $250,000. And I think Bitcoin can go way higher than that, right? I told you guys 200K is pretty possible. 250K is very, very possible as well. Even 300K and beyond is very, very possible. I really do believe we can potentially see Bitcoin reaching, 300K and above, right? It is very, very possible, guys, right? Very, very possible. So get ready. For all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, please understand a massive bull run is coming. And I really want you guys to be prepared for it, right? Buy now. Okay, and I hope you guys are simply DCAing to Bitcoin, okay, and most importantly, holding and letting the gains come to you next year in 2025, because next year in 2025, that's obviously when things will get crazy and wild for Bitcoin and crypto, right? So get ready for that. But yes, this is the chart that I wanted to show you guys today. So Bitcoin Magazine tweeted this out saying, when in doubt, zoom out. Very, very simple. When in doubt, okay, zoom out. We have days, okay, where we have doubt for Bitcoin, right? We have days, guys. But if you're a true Bitcoiner, you understand that long term, Bitcoin is always reaching new highs. So if you guys look at this chart right here, okay, and this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and it's just zoomed out, right? And if you guys just look at it, right? If you guys just look at it, okay, throughout the years for Bitcoin, Yasin just clearly see, right? Bitcoin is always reaching new highs. Even though, yes, guys, we know Bitcoin is volatile, okay? It goes up and down a whole bunch, okay? We have a lot of crashes and pumps, right? Understand, if you're just looking at the chart right now, okay, it is always reaching new highs. it's like, I want to say, looking at the chart right now for Bitcoin, it's like a volatile uptrend. You know what I mean? Like, it's going up and down. Okay, Bitcoin's crashing and whatnot, but it always recovers. It always bounces back up, and it's always reaching new highs. We know, guys, Bitcoin enters, a 4-year cycle, right? We enter a bear market, and then we enter a bull cycle, right? A bull market, and every single time, guys, we enter a new bull cycle. Okay, a bull run. Bitcoin always tends to reach a new high. Every single time throughout Bitcoin history, Bitcoin always reaches new highs. Every single time we enter a new bull market, right, it always reaches new highs, right? So even though Bitcoin does in fact enter bear markets, right, it's normal, right? We enter different cycles, guys. We enter bear markets and then we enter bull markets. And you guys can clearly see from this chart, if you just hold Bitcoin long term, this is where the gains most likely come, right? So obviously, if you invested into Bitcoin back in 2015, you would have made a lot of money. Obviously, it depends like of how much you have invested into Bitcoin, but you would have made a lot of money. You would have more than doubled, obviously, right? You would have more than doubled your money if you invested in 2020, even in 2020, right? In 2015. So understand, guys, buy and hold Bitcoin. If you guys haven't seen my most previous video, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, this is just a great, Bitcoin chart, just clearly showing you guys, when in doubt, zoom out and understand Bitcoin is still, it's still fine. You know what I mean? It really, really is, right? So understand, buy and hold Bitcoin long term. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.